Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid powder for skin. First, gather your ingredients: hyaluronic acid powder, distilled water, and a clean container. Begin by measuring a small amount of powder, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon. This amount is ideal for creating a 1% solution, which is a great starting point for most skin types. Ensure your mixing tools are clean to maintain product purity. This simple preparation sets the stage for effective skin hydration. Now, let's mix your serum. Gradually add about 4 ounces of distilled water to your measured hyaluronic acid powder. Stir continuously as you add the liquid to avoid any clumps forming. Once mixed, cover the container and let it sit. This hydration process can take several hours or even overnight as the powder slowly absorbs the water. You'll know it's ready when it transforms into a smooth, gel-like serum, perfect for application. Applying your homemade hyaluronic acid serum is simple. After cleansing, while your skin is still slightly damp, dispense a few drops onto your fingertips. Gently pat and spread the serum evenly across your face and neck. The dampness helps the hyaluronic acid draw moisture into your skin. Always follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal in all that hydration. This two-step process maximizes the benefits, leaving your skin feeling supple and smooth. Proper storage is key to maintaining your serum's potency. Keep your freshly made hyaluronic acid serum in an airtight container, ideally in the refrigerator. This helps preserve its freshness and extends its shelf life. Aim to use your serum within 2 weeks for the best results. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.